To enable and use AI outdoor mode in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find accessibility and convenience. After that, we can navigate to the AI outdoor mode, which is located right here. Select it, and then you can turn it on and off. Now what it does, it is greatly explained right here in this area. So when enabled, this feature greatly improves outdoor usability by enhancing screen clarity, increasing volume, boosting network speed, and optimizing system performance. This may lead to higher battery consumption and increased device temperature at quick start portal in quick settings and on the home screen. So basically what it does, it tries to adjust many different settings that could impact your accessibility for this phone when you're outside and how fun it is to use it. You can enable it right here, and when it's enabled, it's already working. You can add home screen widget if you like to always have an quick option to turn it on and off. And also, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find which options should it toggle. For example, we can go for enhanced screen brightness. You can disable it if you don't want to use it, or just customize any of those options right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.